Truthful lips endures forever, but a lying tongue lasts only a moment. Proverbs chapter 12, verses 19. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. This jollof right here is very hearty, very delicious. And today I just want us to focus on the choice of protein used in making this jollof. It's low budget, but very nutritious. I want to hook you up with the special organ of the cow, not very common in making jollof rice, stews, and the like. So I am introducing you to the heart of the cow. This part of the organ of the cow contains lots of iron. So anytime that you're looking for proteins that are rich in iron, you just need to go for the organs. They are so well. As a breastfeeding mom, I need more iron than ever, so I like to enrich myself. As a matter of fact, the whole family with rich iron food. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of fat on this, so you just want to get rid of the excess fat as much as possible. This is how much fat I was able to get. And once you're done, go ahead and dice them into the preferred sizes, and you will be marveled at the amount of meat you can get from this. Very amazing. So once you're done, go ahead and give it a nice wash. First of all, wash it with just cold water, and then go ahead and squeeze some lime juice on it and wash it again, and do that for the third time if you want. If you're wondering how this tastes like, I think it tastes just like the meat of the meat itself, not like liver or maybe the kidneys at all. It is not mushy in the mouth. It is very chewy, and it can be very tough as well. Its cooking time is slightly longer than the other organs like the kidneys and the liver. After using this, you just want to make sure you clean your chopping board very well with lime as well. Later on, go in with my sponge and soap and give it another good wash and rinse it with some water. So now that my chopping board is nice and clean, I'll go ahead and blend all my ingredients that I'm using to marinate this amazing meat. Okay, so I'm using some ginger, garlic, onions. I just want it to be very nice and spicy, so I'll add 1 habanero peppers as well, some sirano peppers. I'm using all green. You can go ahead and use any color of choice. I'm blending this with no water. Please take note, because this has lots of water retention and you do not want to add more water to it. You will be amazed the amount of water you're going to get after cooking this on its own. It is crazy. So I'm going to pour a good amount of the blended ingredients, add 1 stock cube and salt. Make sure I stir it very well, and I'm not going to cover it, and allow this to cook on a low to medium heat. By cooking this on a low to medium heat, you're going to get the lot of juices out, and it's amazing. Cook this for just 15 minutes and you are good to go. Look at that. The amount of juices, no water here, and it's very good. It is nice and very tender, can be very chewy as well, especially now that I'm going to fry it. If you love to have your beef very chewy, go for this part of the cow and you're going to be blown away. I'm going to deep fry this. Make sure it's nicely fried, and voila, after just 10 minutes in the oil, it's nice and crunchy. If you remember back in Ghana, if you've been at Zongo, or especially among the Muslims, there's this meat that they fry very dry and they call it bese. This tastes exactly like that. And I'm beginning to think if they use this part of the cow to make it or not, because it is exactly the same. Very nice and crunchy. I just want you to listen to the crunch. It is amazing. Add your soya pepper powder and some onions to this, and it's a complete delicacy. So, so delicious. I hope you really try this. Anytime you come in contact with the heart, please try it and just know for yourself what I'm talking about. It is amazing. So, so good. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a try. Mind you, the jollof recipe is coming so soon and it's very, very, very insightful. I cannot wait to share it with you all. So please stay tuned and make sure you share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos. So please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.